Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to talk about 3D sketches and 3D extrusion. So 3D sketch option you get from here, 3D sketch. Now you can draw a line, but you have to make the plane perpendicular to you. Now this is the plane YZ that is perpendicular to me, and I am drawing a perpendicular line or horizontal line to it. Now you want to do a perpendicular in this XY plane, so you must face the XY plane along the normal, and then you can draw the horizontal line. Now you want some angle in YZ plane, so you can define like this, bringing YZ plane to the normal. How can you define the angle? For that you have to draw a center line, and by smart dimensioning you can have the angle. For suppose I define it 30. Now it's 30 degree and it's totally 3D. Now you want again like that, it's going downwards. You don't want that. You want a perpendicular plane, and that's XY plane. So we get a 3D plane. This will be very helpful to us in weldments. So now let's move on to extrusion. So for extrusion, let us draw something. Let us draw a cube. Okay, now you can go to features, extrude boss base. You can give it from sketch plane. For now you keep it lined, and you can give the depth or thickness. Suppose I am giving it 20 mm, so it's done. We get a cube of thickness 20 mm. Now I want to show you some more features. Here into the sketch. Now select the sketch. Now these option I can give mid plane to have 10 to both the sides. We are having this plane up to surface, means if we define a surface up above, the extruded base will touch the surface. We can have offset from surface, means the extrusion will start from the surface, and up to body means if we define a body here, the extrusion will be up to the surface of the body. Now this is done. Now showing other options. Let me define another plane above it, giving it top plane and giving it distance 100 mm. It's the top plane. Now I want the extrusion of the sketch to start from plane 1, so I'll click on the extrude. Extrude sketch. Now I can change it to surface plane, so I select the plane, so the extrusion starting from there, but our top plane is here. And I'll show you some more options. I can define a surface here. And sketch in plane 1, we can convert this to plane 1. Okay, and we can fill a surface. Now to show you extrusion of this, if we select up to surface and select this surface, it is extruded up to the surface. And if it's offset from surface, you can say the distance that is it's offset from, suppose 30, so it is offset by 30 mm from the surface. So these are the options we get in extrusion, single extrusion. I will show you There are 2D extrusion now, delete it. Extrusion, extrude. Now in extrude we get a draft option. In draft option we can have a chamfer about a degree we like. Suppose I'm giving 30 degree, so it's chamfered about 30 degree. Now we can give the option draft outward. It will chamfer about 30 degree outwards. And we also have two directions. Direction 2 means that is it will extrude from two sides. You can have the same draft, but I'm changing it to draft inward. It's also inward. Okay. Now there is another option, that is thick option. In thin feature we can define actually a frame. So thus the frame is created using thin feature and extrusion. Now let me show you. Thin feature. So this thin feature without draft will be like that. This is about 10 mm that we defined here. Okay. This is all about extrusion. Thank you for watching.